Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can create absurdly realistic AI videos using Canva and VO3. It's super easy even if you're a complete beginner. So first you can just open Canva and then head into Canva AI. So by using the Canva AI, you can easily generate video. So this is where the magic happens. You can use the Canva AI to use the text to video feature. So you can just write the prompt and here choose the video clip option. So for example, I'm going to use this prompt right here. Cinematic shot of a man walking through neon Tokyo streets at night. Shallow depth of field, bokeh lights, slow motion, moody atmosphere, and with 4K ultra realistic. So to get realistic result, you need to be descriptive. You need to mention the camera angle, lighting, subject, mood, motion, and environment. And this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Don't forget to click on the video clip options in here. And here you can use add audio or no and adjust the size, but the 9 by 16 is still not available yet, so let's just go with 16 by 9. Here you can also adjust the framing. I'm going to just go with the default, and also the style you can choose the option, but I'm not going to choose one, so I'm going to just let Canva AI do the magic. Now you can just hit on submit in here and wait until Canva generate your video. So Canva will create your ultra realistic clip. Okay, so unfortunately, let's just go with HD. So Canva is not, the 4K quality is not available yet. So let's just go with HD. Now we can just wait until the result is out. So the result is out. You can just preview the result by clicking on display button in here. And now you can also add music, text, subtitles, motion graphics, and overlay all inside Canva by using the Canva editor in here. And that's it, your AI video is ready. And for the most cinematic result, I recommend you can use short prompts, add camera direction like slow motion or tracking shots, and choose dramatic music for realism. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. See you in the next one.